Hey there! Today we're diving into a quirky problem that many SwiftUI developers face. Picture this. You want to align a numerical digit within a frame so that the sign is ignored. For instance, you want the digit 9 to be smack dab in the center of a circular frame, not awkwardly positioned between a plus and a 9. An interesting problem, right? Now, let's talk about the solution to this alignment conundrum. The key lies in using an HStack. By constructing the text as prefix plus numeric part plus prefix, and keeping the trailing part hidden, we can achieve the desired central alignment. Setting the spacing to 0 ensures there are no pesky gaps between the elements. Voila! The numeric part is perfectly centered within the frame, regardless of screen size or dynamic type settings. Problem solved! To wrap things up, we've cracked the code on centrally aligning numerical digits within frames in SwiftUI without breaking a sweat. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Remember, in the world of SwiftUI, alignment is key. See you in the next video. Happy coding!